You don't need long hours at the gym to transform your body. Here's the truth no one tells you. Bodyweight exercises such as yoga, when done consistently, can completely redefine how your body operates, looks, and feels. Yoga doesn't just make you get flexible. It builds muscle strength, boosts focus, and even rewires your brain to handle stress. And it doesn't stop there. Research published in the Spine Journal shows that yoga can transform your body and reduce lower back pain by up to 85%. But let's face it, most people never see the results thereafter. Why? Because they waste time on moves that's just simple do not work for them. Well, that ends now, because in this video, I'll show you the exact 6 poses that will transform your body, melt tension, elongate and stretch the posterior chain, and leave you feeling unstoppable, all in just a few minutes a day. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Are you ready to trade excuses for results? Let's roll out that mat. First on our list is the Cobra pose, or Bhujangasana. This is an essential yoga posture that can bring remarkable benefits, especially for those leading a sedentary lifestyle. This beginner-friendly pose gently stretches and strengthens the spine while simultaneously opening up the chest and shoulders. By practicing Cobra pose, you can counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting, such as poor posture and back stiffness. One of the primary advantages of Cobra pose is its ability to relieve lower back pain. By promoting spinal mobility and encouraging proper alignment, it reduces tension and discomfort in the back. Additionally, this pose strengthens the abdominal muscles, which play a critical role in supporting the spine and maintaining overall core stability. Moreover, opening up the chest facilitates deeper breathing, which not only enhances lung capacity, but also alleviates stress and promotes relaxation. Up next is bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandhasana. This is an underrated yet powerful exercise for building stronger glutes, toning your core, and improving posture. This pose targets the glutes, lower back, and hamstrings, making it an excellent all-around lower body and core strengthening movement. In a world where sitting for long periods has become the norm, many people experience weakened glutes, which can lead to poor posture, lower back discomfort, and even knee pain. Bridge pose directly addresses these issues by engaging and activating the gluteal muscles, while ensuring spinal protection through proper alignment. Practicing bridge pose consistently provides numerous benefits. It strengthens the core, alleviates pressure on the lower back, and can even help prevent knee pain by stabilizing the surrounding muscles. The pose counteracts the negative impact of prolonged sitting, promoting better mobility and strength. Supporting this, a study published in the Journal of Orthopedic Science found that glute activation exercises like bridge pose can reduce lower back pain by as much as 40% in just 4 weeks, underscoring its effectiveness. Then we have tree pose, or Vrksasana. Tree pose is an excellent yoga posture designed to improve balance, strengthen stabilizing muscles, and enhance your coordination. This pose focuses on the core, legs, and ankles, making it a great choice for anyone looking to build both physical and mental stability. Whether you find yourself losing balance unexpectedly or aiming to enhance your control in sports and daily tasks, tree pose is an excellent way to synchronize your body and mind. The benefits of tree pose extend beyond physical balance. As it strengthens the stabilizer muscles in your legs and core, it also sharpens your focus and concentration. By forcing you to engage multiple muscle groups and maintain stillness, this pose helps cultivate a sense of mindfulness and control. Over time, it enhances coordination, reduces the risk of stumbling, and gives you the confidence to move with grace and ease. To practice tree pose, start by standing tall with your weight evenly distributed across both feet. Shift your weight onto one leg and place the sole of the opposite foot against your inner thigh or calf. Avoid the knee joint. Bring your hands together in a prayer position at your chest or extend them overhead for an added challenge. Engage your core, find a focal point to help you balance. Hold the pose for as long as you can, then pause the video and type how many seconds you held the pose in the comments below. With consistency, you'll notice significant improvements in your stability and posture. Moving on to Warrior 2, or Virabhadrasana 2. This dynamic yoga pose embodies strength, stability, and endurance. This move primarily targets the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and shoulders, making it an excellent choice for sculpting the lower body while building core stability. Its powerful stance symbolizes unwavering focus and resilience, helping you feel grounded and confident. The benefits of Warrior II extend beyond physical strength. By holding this pose, you not only engage your leg muscles, but also train your core to maintain balance and stability. This increases overall endurance and enhances your ability to stay steady, both physically and mentally. Warrior II offers a comprehensive full-body workout that integrates strength and mindfulness. Research suggests that even holding Warrior II for just 1 minute activates a significant number of muscles, burning more calories than an hour of sitting. It's a quick yet impactful way to elevate your energy and strengthen your body. To practice this pose, step into a wide stance, bend one knee at a 90-degree angle, and extend your arms parallel to the ground. Align your shoulders over your hips, engage your core, and gaze over your front hand. Hold steady, breathe deeply, and feel the burn in your legs and core as you embody the strength of a warrior. Did you try the warrior pose? Type 1 for yes and 2 for no in the comment section. Moving on, we have the cat-cow pose, or Marjariyasana Bidalasana, a highly effective sequence that promotes spinal health and relaxation. By gently transitioning between two complementary poses, cat pose and cow pose, you can warm up your spine, enhance flexibility, and release tension throughout the back, neck, and shoulders. This flowing motion makes it an excellent choice for preparing your body for further movement or winding down after a long day. The practice begins in a tabletop position, with your hands aligned under your shoulders and knees under your hips. To perform cat pose, exhale as you round your back, tuck your chin towards your chest, and draw your belly button toward your spine. Then, transition into cow pose by inhaling as you arch your back, lift your chest, and gaze upward while allowing your belly to soften toward the mat. This rhythmic flow not only improves spinal mobility, but also helps regulate your breathing, fostering a sense of calm and relaxation. Cat-cow pose is particularly beneficial for those who spend extended periods sitting or working at a desk, as it gently counteracts stiffness and improves posture. Whether you're looking to ease back discomfort, boost flexibility, or simply create a mindful connection between your breath and body, this pose is a versatile and accessible addition to any routine. With just a few cycles of this gentle flow, you can feel more relaxed, aligned, and ready to take on the day. Next is Downward Facing Dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This is one of the most iconic poses in yoga practice and a cornerstone of many sequences. This pose is both a stretch and a strength-building movement, targeting key muscle groups such as the hamstrings, calves, shoulders, arms, and even the spine. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a must-learn for anyone beginning their yoga journey. The primary benefit of Downward Facing Dog is its ability to elongate and stretch the posterior chain, including the hamstrings and calves. This makes it particularly helpful for relieving tension in the legs, often caused by prolonged sitting or standing. Additionally, the pose strengthens the arms and shoulders as they bear weight, building stability and endurance over time. The mild inversion involved also enhances circulation, bringing a sense of renewal and vitality. To perform this pose, start in a tabletop position with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide for a strong foundation and tuck your toes under. On an exhale, lift your hips toward the ceiling, straightening your legs while keeping a slight bend in the knees if needed. Push your chest gently toward your thighs as your spine lengthens, and keep your head relaxed between your arms. Your heels should aim toward the floor, though it's fine if they don't touch. And there you have it. 6 transformative yoga poses that will redefine how your body moves, feels, and thrives. Remember, consistency is key. Just a few minutes a day can lead to a stronger glute, better posture, and a calmer mind. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and check out this next video here. If you are new here, welcome. Take the first step. Subscribe to our channel. Roll out your mat, hit play, and let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.